Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending with wherever you are in this part of the world. Welcome back to my channel, my Songwana Chihera at Shumbasville. Like I promised you in my previous video, guys, this is now the building of our rural homestead material gathering. So I will be taking you through, but anyway, due to the uniqueness of the homestead that we are building in the rural area, we had to source all our major building materials from Harare, Chivhu and Murambinda, except for the pit sand and the washed river sand. Also, because we are building in the rural area, there are no building regulation standards applied. That is, no inspectors will be coming to inspect our homestead. So we had to employ an engineer from Harare who will be responsible for the building inspection and the engineering work as we are building a double story. Hamawadiwa, unoona zvidhina zvakakugara pamusoro. Instead yekuti iwewe ugare mumba imomo, panoita zvimwe. So we had to make sure we have everything that makes everybody safe. So stay tuned, guys, and enjoy. We had 60 cubics of 3/4 stones, 3 lorries that came from Chivhu, a company that does quarry stones. So this company is the one that delivers all our stones. Panga pakaoma, guys. Zvamuri kungoonawo izvi. Yange iri mvenge mumusha. Marori ari kupinda, amwe ari kubuda, amwe ari kurivhesa. Zvese anga ari madirativha ngepapa hama dzangu vadiwa paidhirivharwa zvinhu izvi. Panga pakaoma. It was not easy, guys, making sure all these are in place. You can understand, sourcing all these materials, most of them from Harare, the transport cost, Hamadzangu transport cost, as well as people to offload. Moving from there, we managed to get our pit sand was sourced locally, and we had to get local guys to help with that. And we were also at the same time supporting our locals. As you can see, at first we started by using chikochikari hamadzangu before we had that small lorry, and then the work becomes more easier in terms of getting all that. We also have to get the washed river sand. As you know, guys, washed river sand is the best. We had to hire a lorry. Look at that. So we had about three loads of the river sand, and work was about to start now. As you can see, boys continuing carrying the pit sand as it was really needed. This was from the beginning when we didn't have a lorry, but we had to get a lorry, and that has made it really, really easier for us because it cut down some costs, transportation costs. Hama vadiwa, basa riye razotanga zvino. As you can see, apa ndipo panga pakaoma. All the bricks were from Harare, and there were load bearings and a few of the common bricks for upstairs. As you know, we are building a double story, so we had to make sure we have load bearing bricks. We had about 3 lorries that came on the same day. There were so many challenges, guys. We will talk about them as we go along. There were so many challenges because, you know, we are in the rural area, and the type of the roads, and some drivers don't even want to proceed. They'll just stop and say, we are not going any further. Then they have to offload the bricks wherever they were, and we had to look for tractors to continue, you know, carrying the bricks. What else could we have done? We had no choice. So we're gathering our bricks. As you can see, even the homestead is changing now. It's actually changing. The excitement, the adrenaline of knowing that now the work is starting. Look at that, guys. Lorries and lorries and people there. The good thing as well, as you know, we save our community. We had to get local guys as well to help, at the same time creating employment for them, because otherwise they'll be just doing nothing, which was a good thing with this building, because we are going to continue supporting our community. Hama dzangu, tarisai zvaungana zvidhina zviye. Pazoipa zvino Chera aripo paground achiorganiza, achimhanya-mhanya, haikona kutaura. Zvese izvozvi zviri kungoitika panguva imwe chete iyoyo. And we have to source our cement from Chivhu and Murambinda. And we were also worried about the storage of this cement. As you know, it gets dry quickly. But I think the builders will be able to manage it so that we don't have any losses. Guys, the still force. This was from Harare, directly from Harare. A double story. We have to make sure right from the beginning. So the steel force were from Harare, and this will be used for the rim, beam, the deck, the lintels, and on every work that needs the steel force. They were overloaded. Abnormal loading. There we go. They were overloaded. Abnormal loading. Mkoma Freeman Magwara. Basa latanga. Kashakata manje zvinazimamira mushe pana. Yatora njambanje. Zvinazimamira mushe. hama dzangu simbi idzo muri kudziona here dzaungana pamusha zvino dzaungana idzo basa riye rava kuzotanga manje rava kutanga mesh wires for the reinforcement of the foundation, the brick force, the door frames. Pasisina kumira zvakanaka. The electrical tubing pipes, all the bits and pieces. We had a challenge for the water guys with the borehole, as well as it's the big job that needs to be done. So we have to buy those pipes to draw water from the river, and all those things were water connections for pipes. We have to buy the generators. We have to buy the grinders for cutting the mesh wires. We also have to buy so many things, the plastic for the foundation. We have to have jerry cans for the petrol, for the generator. And yeah, guys, itself with the actual marking of where the house is gonna be. This is now taking place. We are now starting. Yay! Finally. This house, guys. Anyway, I have to stop here, and thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and continue sharing, as well as tuning in at the Chira at Shumbersville, where relaxation is simplified. In the next video, guys, stay tuned. This is when the actual digging is gonna start taking place. So please make sure you stay tuned, and thank you once again for watching, subscribing, and for those who haven't, please subscribe, like, share, and continue tuning in, and see you in the next video.